Springs, and they have a stall at the back if you'd like to find out some more about the Nepalese community. But Rachana, would you like to say what brought you to Alice Springs?
Yes, we were just in Sydney, and then I got job out here. That's why we moved to Alice Springs.
And what's the best thing about Alice Springs for you?
Alice Springs, actually it's a small town, so that's a good part, and I have got kids, so it's easy to manage, that's why. Yeah.
Thank you. And can you tell us a little bit about the dance performance that you're going to do right now?
Sure. Today we are going to perform on Maitighar. It's actually a traditional dance, and this dance actually is related with like how important is ladies' house is, like after they get married, when they go back to their parents' house, it is called as a Maitighar. And and it's related with that, and it also describes about our country, like mountain. We are from the world highest mountain place, that is Mount Everest. So yeah, it's basically like our tradition, and then it describes about our country.
Thank you so much, and I'll leave the stage now. Welcome, Nepalese community.
आकाशलाई छोएको